I just literally got smacked in the face. I did not mean to stop in the middle of the street.
She hit her boyfriend in the face while he was driving. She caused an accident, then spent the next 30 minutes insulting every officer on the scene. I hope you're ready for this one. It just keeps getting better and better. Credit on this one goes to 50 Police Bodycam.
Why? How did you just do this?
What?
What's going on? Is this your car?
Yeah, this is my car. I'm so sorry.
What state is it out of?
Indiana.
Okay. What's going on, bud?
This is my
what happened?
boyfriend.
Shannon, you just hit me in the face right now.
Stop your really, Abel.
Yes.
What happened, bud?
I'm sorry. I did not mean to stop the car in the middle of the street, but I just got hit in the face.
Really?
Okay.
Interesting.
Shannon, just...
You, Abel.
Okay.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Do you want to step out of the car so I can talk to you about it and kind of get what's going on?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Shannon, stop. What did you just do, man?
Are you from here, or what's?
I'm from Illinois.
Okay.
I just literally got smacked in the face. I did not mean to stop in the middle of the street. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
He was stunned.
That's all that it is. I was driving. My girlfriend hit me in the face.
Okay.
I was literally not trying to stop in the middle of the street. I don't know if I hit anything right now. Just happened. I just got hit in the face. My girlfriend is a little bit inebriated, and you know.
Just a little. He seems still stunned at this whole thing.
As I was driving, I was just trying to get us home. I don't even know what the hell just happened.
Where are you guys seeing that?
We're like not even half a mile away. We're like
Okay.
8 minutes away from Ottawa.
You're in Ottawa, but like
Yeah, no, I know. But I mean, she lives in Ottawa. I'm not from Ottawa.
Okay.
We were like literally like 6 minutes away from the house.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home.
Yeah.
And I just got smacked in the face as I'm trying to drive
Yeah,
drive home. You know.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. How much have you been drinking?
Maybe not even half a drink. That was probably like 2 hours ago.
Okay.
Not even half a drink 2 hours ago. Remember that. The common theme is it's either just 2 drinks or a half of one. There's never just one.
What's going on tonight, man?
I had probably less than half a drink, and that was probably like 2 hours ago. You know,
Okay.
Probably had less than half a drink.
Why are you opening my door?
Because my hand opened it.
No,
What's going on?
First of all, you are not supposed to open my door.
Oh, you're not doing well, Shannon.
There's no reason for you to
Okay.
open my
What's
door.
going on? Where are you guys at? Just around here?
I believe the bar is called Steaks. I'm not from here, man. I literally came
here
to
in
see
Ottawa?
Yeah.
Shakers?
Shakers. Yes.
Steaks, shakers, steak and shake. Hashtag not an ad.
First of all, back up. Can I walk out of my door?
No, you can barely sit. You're not going to stand.
Really? Get out of my door.
That's a great line. You can barely sit. How are you going to stand?
Get out of my door.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get out of my door.
What's going on?
Get out of my
Why?
door.
I was just trying to get us home right now, right? And I literally just got cracked in the face.
Why are you guys arguing? She's just drunk?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, 100%.
Shannon seems to have been bit by the devil's nectar. If you think that Shannon acts this way when she's not on the devil's nectar, I need to know in the comments. Let me know either way.
Abel! Abel! Get out of my door! 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 No, get out of my door! No, get out of my door! Get out of my door! Really? Really? No? You're about to break my arms. Really? You're gonna break my arms? You're gonna break my arms?
You can stand back.
No, you're gonna break my arm. Really? That's what the f you guys do? Really?
You lean forward a little bit?
No, I will not.
Forward.
That is what I will not do. That is what I will not do.
So
No!
we've established that.
No! No! F you! That is what I will not No! That is what I will not do. That is what I will not do. No! That is what I will not do. What you do?
You gonna try and act like an adult?
No! No!
She refuses to act like an adult. Just keep that in mind.
I know to break each other's limbs. I know. That's what you do. It's hurt each other. That's what you do. It's hurt each other. That's what you do. It's hurt each other.
Yeah.
No, fuck you, you f***ing piece of shit.
Isn't it ironic that she just kept yelling when she was in her car, get out of my door, get out of my door. Now she's trying to get out of their door.
Is she normally like this? What, I mean, she's drank like crazy amount. What was she drinking?
You f***ing scumbag ass piece of shit.
She normally doesn't even drink like this, so
Yeah.
I would imagine that's the reason why she's getting like this. But in the middle of me driving, like we're not even 6 minutes. What?
I was on the phone with them.
Stephanie,
Okay.
we're like
She
what?
was completely belligerent, and I was already getting in my car to come and grab them. And then all of a sudden, this happened.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't be throwing up.
You.
That's why we have plastic seats back there. You just hose it off, but it's disgusting. It's a smell you never get rid of.
All right. Let me check your eyes, talk about that concussion
Okay.
there. Just keep your head still, okay?
Sorry.
Okay. Your car is going to need to end up getting towed. This wheel's this way, and your other wheel's straight.
Oh.
Yeah, you dumbass.
Don't be spitting in there.
Yeah, I already spit. What are you gonna do?
So you do have a little mark on your right side of your face from it. So we're going to arrest her for domestic battery.
Did you see that like half smile like, I need you to tell me in the comments. Is that because he's like, I don't want you to do that, or he's got it coming to her?
Quit kicking.
Yeah? Open up this door then.
Who made her the queen of opening and closing doors? Like, she's upset that this door is open, and she was even madder that the other door wasn't closed.
No, he's a nice f***ing man. You don't know him. You do not know him to sit here and judge him. You don't know him. Right?
I don't know.
No.
Only I can hit him.
Do you have a right to judge him? No.
Jesus Christ.
What's your first name?
Abel.
Oh, poor Abel,
Come
man.
back here. I'm just going to run you through some field sobriety. Okay.
I like you. You were a very beautiful being.
I want you to take down 9 steps, touching your heel to your toe on every step. Series of small steps to turn around and come back the same way with your heel to your toe on every step. Okay. Questions about anything?
No, I am
right.
sorry if I'm shivering because it's very cold
You're good.
outside.
You're good. Just make sure you're stepping your heel to your toe on every step and you're keeping your arms on your side. You begin when you're ready.
You said right from the left, right?
That's how you're starting. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. That's a real woman.
Stop spitting.
You.
Whenever you're ready to go.
Okay.
Wow. Easy, Forrest. Like, you got to stop at some point. If you didn't stop, he would have been back at stakes.
Yeah, that you took?
8.
20?
8. 12 off.
You said you took 20 though.
I took 20 steps?
20?
No.
He's just as surprised.
Okay. Walk back 9.
Okay.
Seven, 8.
No.
So that was 8. So face me. Balance issues or anything?
A little bit. I mean, as stupid as it might sound, I went to the gym recently, so I'm a little bit, leaning to the left, leaning to the right, whatever it might be.
I worked my left buys and my left leg only at the gym, so I'm a little off balance, I guess.
You are more comfortable with. I want you to raise that leg about 6 inches off the ground with your toe pointed out. Nope, just watch me first. It's gonna be like this. Your heel's about 6 inches off the ground with your toe pointed out, looking at the tip of your toe. Count out loud for me: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
I'm trying to decide, and let me know in the comments. Does she sound like a macaw or a parrot of some sort, just freaking out, or a toddler having a tantrum on the floor at a Target somewhere?
She's spitting in there. See.
So we'll take one last breath test, we're good with that, and then we'll get a code for your car and figure all that, okay? So one long, steady breath.
Yeah. Is it okay if I talk to my sister for a second?
If you what?
If I talk to my sister for a second, she is CPD, and I would just rather just talk to her for literally a minute, if that is possible.
Instead of doing the breath test, or
Yeah.
I'm confused.
If I could just talk to her for literally a minute, you know what I mean? Like, if I was just concussed, and before I'm doing a field sobriety test, I would rather just
So
talk.
the being slapped or anything like that doesn't affect this.
Okay.
And if it's been a few hours ago, then that wouldn't.
I get what he's trying to do. He's not being unreasonable. He just wants to talk to his sister. His sister's probably going to tell him, don't do the breathalyzer. It's going to be some kind of suspension on his license.
You can talk to her later.
Not right now.
No, not right now. No.
Okay.
No. So one long steady breath if you're good with that. Okay?
And you're not. I mean, I know you guys are usually.
He's trying to find a polite way to say, my sister's a cop. Can you let me go? He won't muster the courage, and it's not going to help him here either.
Do you want to decline this?
I do.
Okay. All right. Do you know your alphabet?
Yes.
What I want you to do is tell me your alphabet from the letter F to the letter S.
From the letter F to the letter S.
Yep.
Okay. So that would be T.
So I just want you to start at the letter F and then go to the letter S.
He was looking for F to S. Poor Abel here is doing algebra.
I can start, with F, G.
He spotted him 2 letters.
G. E. No.
Okay.
So for all of you who tell me in the comments all the time, I couldn't do those tests sober. Really?
There it is. Did you guys go watch wrestling?
Stupid ass little Oh my god, right? Because you're just not a person that matters, right?
Nope, I don't
Does
know.
it matter?
All lives
Does
matter.
it matter, you dumbass?
All lives matter.
Does it matter?
Yeah, it matters.
Yeah, it does matter? Are you sure? You f***ing ass.
Whoa, jeez.
Oh, whoa.
That's a big
Whoa,
word.
you f***ing mother.
That's a big word.
Does it matter?
My only prayer is that her mommy is there when she sees this video for the first time, because she's going to wake up tomorrow morning with like this scratchy throat in jail, and she's going to be like, why am I hoarse? Like, I don't understand why I'm hoarse. And then she's going to get to see how she was acting towards these people, and she'll probably be mortified. My guess is she's probably not like this normal. It's definitely the alcohol talking.
You can count to 100?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
All right, what I want you to do for me is count backwards for me from 72 to 54.
Okay. 71, 70, 69, 69, 68, 67, 67, 66, 66, 60. I am so sorry if I cannot. I got hit pretty hard.
Abel, don't play the I got hit too hard card on this one.
Where were you guys drinking at tonight?
Shakers, but I.
Oh, okay, just here in town.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, I took less than 2 drinks.
Okay. All right. Well, you definitely seem like you've had more than 2 drinks to me. Okay. So go ahead and place your hands behind your back. You're going to be asked for a DUI.
All right.
Is Abel just a victim of circumstance here? He got hit in the face. It caused him to wreck his tire and crash his car and stop in the middle of the street. Then he ends up with the DUI. I mean, Abel seems like a nice kid. I'm sure he's going to be mortified when he sees his girlfriend's body cam.
Who's this to you guys? Friend or? Flash your hands. Flash your hands.
She's the sister to Shannon,
Got it.
my girlfriend. Sorry.
The wild one of the bunch.
Let me go! Let me go!
Listen to the music in the background.
Let me go!
Oh. Shannon.
Let me go!
You spit on him again. You spit on me again.
She spit on you?
I spit on you? She did. Oh, okay.
A little confusion there. Who spit on who? Subscribing here means a lot, but if you're ready for an even deeper look at true crime from the initial emergency to the courtroom verdict, I want you to head over to my other channel. It's called the Comm Center. Every good true crime story starts with a 911 call, and my partner John is an active 911 dispatcher. And together, we'll bring you an insider perspective to today's biggest cases.
That might have just happened.
You good?
Man, I don't even drink like this. Jesus.
What's going on?
Why is she like this when she gets drunk?
Yes.
There was zero hesitation from her sister. Does she get like this when she gets drunk? Yes. Look at poor Shannon here.
I didn't even invite her to my wedding.
She is not the kind you want to take home to mother. She's a super freak. Now, I'm sure the boyfriend would have done a normal job at those field sobriety exercises if he was able. Every officer on this scene stayed calm while she called them names, she spit on them, she refused every single one of their instructions. Meanwhile, her boyfriend kept insisting that she's not normally like this, and that may be so, but normal or not, she caught a domestic battery, an aggravated battery to a police officer, and a resisting charge. He caught a DUI on top of the crash she caused, and he got a punch in the face to boot. The thing about a night like this is that alcohol doesn't create new people. It just removes the brakes. And once those brakes are gone, loyalty and apologies don't slow anything down. You want to see a cocky teen get his car towed and have a meltdown? Check this one out.